There's a question we hear a lot when someone walks into the shop and starts looking at the higher end of the lineup. If two machines cost the same, how do I know which one I'm actually getting more from? That's exactly where the conversation about the John Deere 900 series, the 965, and the Grasshopper 700 series front mount begins. Same price range, same commercial grade expectations, but very different machines once you get them out in the field. The John Deere 965 is built tough, strong engine, solid construction, and a name that carries a lot of weight in this industry. In wide open ground it does its job, but its traditional mid-mount design has a real limitation. When you're working around trees, fences, and tight corners, that deck position works against you. You're stopping, repositioning, pulling out the trimmer. Time that adds up, job after job, property after property. The Grasshopper 700 series front mount is built differently. That deck sits out in front of the operator where you can actually see it. You're mowing under low branches and along fence lines without breaking stride. You're reaching the spots that other machines just can't touch, and you're doing it in one pass instead of three. That's not just a design choice. That's time back in your day, fuel saved, and jobs finished faster. And when something does need attention, the 700 series is built so you can get to it. Key components are accessible, maintenance is straightforward, and your machine stays on the job instead of sitting in the shop during your busiest weeks. At Grasshopper Mowers, we've seen what happens when operators choose a machine for the name on the hood instead of the work it does. We'd rather show you what both machines actually deliver, side by side. Honestly, so you can make the call that's right for your operation. Because at the same price point, you deserve to know which one gives you more. First to finish, built to last.